In the morning for 20 minutes, just write. About anything. Stream of conscious writing. And don't stop. It's very important to not stop, even if it's the words, or I don't know what to write. You write what comes to mind and you just keep going. Like Dorothy says, just keep swimming. Go somewhere quiet, be alone, and allow whatever wants to come out on paper. And don't try to force anything. The idea is that you release the brakes, you release the resistance, and you allow whatever wants to naturally come out. Allow your mind to do its thing, and then after those 20 minutes, go back and underline words that stick out. Make bullet points, underline important words, topics, ideas that stick out and appear relevant. Just be intuitive. Chances are that you wrote about something that's been on your mind lately, and this is the key. Before I go more into this, I got this from a book called The Artist's Way, which is from Julia Cameron, and it's a book on creativity as a spiritual path, but don't mistake this with needing to be an artist to do the pages. Julia Cameron actually says, there's no wrong way to do the morning pages. These daily morning meanderings are not meant to be art. Again, the idea is that you allow your mind to relax into the space and express itself naturally, and I believe that the mind in its most relaxed, pure form, pure state, is genius. And I want to paint a quick picture for you here, and you tell me if you can relate. You fill in the blanks with your life. There's a situation or problem that you have to make a decision on. You have to find a solution to. And you know some good options, but you're indecisive and you look to other places constantly for answers and validation. You're always seeking another source before you make a decision. Did I do enough research? Did I ask enough people? Did I think deeply enough about it? And let's say you make the decision, but there's still this part of you that feels like you didn't examine all the options hard enough. But here's the thing. Our gut is never wrong, and of course it's important to talk to other people about things, but at some point you have to find an answer, and you have to make a decision. And I'm a college student. It's not like I have decades of life experience for wisdom to act on with everything I do, but I am a big believer that all of the best answers are already within us. It's just a matter of accessing them. Something else Julia says that I think is pretty profound is, it is impossible to write morning pages for any extended period of time without coming into contact with an unexpected inner power. As your mind goes to work in this activity, it lays out the blueprint for what you need to act upon. Those things that you underline and notice are the things to act upon. Maybe something appears on the pages that reveals an inner fear that you haven't brought into full consciousness. Maybe something you were indecisive about clearly screams the answer to you from the pages. I think a lot of my ability to translate these pages into answers comes from trust. The trust I have that these words, these ideas that I'm writing down are there for a reason. And my intuitive impression of those words are the answers that I need. It's so worth to find the time to put this into your schedule, and especially in the morning, because you can actually find things in these pages that you should probably act upon throughout the day before it even starts. And they've also become a huge confidence booster for me before I start the day, because now I know whenever I need them, the answers are going to be there. I can trust myself. The pages have become this huge part in my relationship with my own ideas, trusting that I am the source for the best answers. Now I look at my thoughts completely differently. Now I monitor recurrent thoughts, so if there's something that keeps popping up in my mind, I know that it's there for a reason. My mind's trying to bring my attention to something. And as I continue to do the pages, I develop this skill of identifying when answers pop up, staying alert for when they appear. We can become more reliant on our own ideas. I think a relationship with trust of yourself and your own ideas is vital in life. Now when I journal, I already anticipate when an answer's coming. I feel it, I see it, I sense it. I know that I'm making a discovery or a connection with something. And a lot of the time it's something that I already know. It's just appearing on the pages, confirming itself to me. Sometimes it's a matter of just doing the things that we already know. That's it. That's the video. Remember, when you journal and you get answers, it's all coming from here. It's all you, baby. And also you can listen to music when you do this activity. I personally like it to just be me in my mind, but you do what you feel is right, and just don't stop. Don't stop writing for those 20 minutes. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and share with a friend. Bye-bye.